Okay, welcome to today's video everyone. So in this video we'll be seeing a couple of examples where we are working out a product of two complex numbers using the mod-arg form. Okay, so the first one is simplify 2 cis 5 pi on 12 times 2 cis 5 pi on 6. Okay, so the first one, when we multiply in mod-arg form, we multiply the moduli, so let's just write it down. 2 cis 5 pi on 12 and 2 cis 5 pi on 6. So we multiply the moduli, so 2 times 2 will be 4, and we add the arguments. Cis of 5 pi on 12 plus 5 pi on 6. Okay, so we can simplify that. We get 4 cis. Now 5 pi on 12 plus 5 pi on 6. If we multiply this by 2 over 2, that'll be 10 plus 5, which is 15 pi on 12. And we can simplify that a little, and we get 4 cis divided by 3, we get 5 pi on 4. Now, this doesn't lie within our minus pi arg of z pi. This doesn't lie within this range. So, what we do, let's have a look at where this complex number is. Alright, so 5 pi on 4 and it's positive. So we start on the real axis and we go anti-clockwise 5 pi on 12. So as we go up and we get to here, this is, well, traveling like this will be going pi degrees, or pi radians rather, across. Now we need to go an extra pi on 4. So here is an extra pi on 4. So if we just look in this bit here, that's pi on 4. Okay, so if that means if this is pi on 4 here, then this angle, which I might do in a separate color, this angle here is going to be minus 3 pi on 4. Well, it's 3 pi on 4, but it's minus because we're going clockwise. Right? So this angle here, this fits within our constraints. And so we can write 4 cis, what's the angle? Minus 3 pi on 4. Okay, and that's the end of that question. Alright, let's have a look at the next one. So we have 2 cis pi on 12, 3 cis pi on 6, over 4 cis 7 pi on 12. Okay, so let's just have a look at the numerator first. So let's multiply the moduli. 2 times 3 is 6, and we add the arguments. So you're going to have pi on 12 plus pi on 6, and this is being divided by 4 cis 7 pi on 12. Okay, now when we divide using mod-arg form, we divide the moduli, so we'll have 6 divided by 4, which is 3 halves, so 3 over 2, and we subtract the angles. So we're going to have pi on 12 here, plus pi on 6. There's no need to calculate that, waste a step by calculating that and then subtracting. We can do that all in one step. And we take away, so we have this angle minus this angle. Okay, and when you work that out, that will be, okay, that'll be 3 pi over 12 minus 7 pi on 12 will be minus 4 pi on 12. And minus 4 pi on 12 is pi on 3. And that lies within our constraints, so we're fine with that. Okay, so in the next video we'll see a separate example.